Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to Microsoft Add skips auto listing of restart fix 22 222. So guys, if you enter to Microsoft Add skips auto listing of restart fix, so very easy. Firstly open Microsoft Add, click on three dots, click on settings. Here option system and performance, so click it. Here option, so guys, if you want to turn off, so slash to on position. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to Microsoft Add skips auto listing of restart fix. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video workful or not. Thank you for watching this video.